how can we add the numbers, this 1 and 2? What is the element of 1? What is the index value of 1?
0.
0, right? What is the index value of 2?
1.
1, right?
1.
So yes, we can add directly based on the given example. So print here array 1, right? Array index value is first one, so 0 index value. Next one, what is the index value of 2? See, these type of questions they might ask in the interviews, that for sure, because it's like some logic questions. Okay, what is 1 plus 2? It's 3. Okay, so we have to do many type of operations by using of this one. This is nothing but one dimensional array. Let me take you through the second like next one is a two-dimensional array. Okay, let's moving into the next one. Code, write down the code which is like array 2 equal to, okay, numpy. This is the two-dimensional array, 1 comma 2 comma 3. These are the two arrays. Okay, first array, this is the second array. Inside we are writing first element and second element like this. Okay, now how many arrays are there inside? Please see
2
here.
arrays.
So we
2
have
arrays.
two arrays inside of one array. Understand? So what we can do, just use the code, just print the array 2, which value we can get. Print arr2, run. What you can get, here you are getting
1 to 10.
array
1 to 5.
1 to, I am not getting 1 to, if what I can get here numpy we are already written, numpy dot array. Here getting what, array 2 is not defined. We are already defined, right? We have to run this one. Okay, before we are doing, we need to run. Next one is run this one. Next, understand? Run this both, because if you run this one you will get tick marks. So in the same way, if I am using Google Colab, right, you can also use this one, numpy. From directly numpy you can use, already I am imported this numpy, and try to write numpy, or else here you can see numpy as np means this is alias name. Alias means if my name is like mentioned very full name, right? If I someone call as short name, I can able to hear the word, right? So you can write numpy instead of np. Instead of numpy you can write np, numpy array, write down 1 comma 2 comma 3, then close this one comma. What is the next one? You have to use one more here. Next, 4 comma 5 comma 6, use 2. Okay, just run this one. Next, run. Okay, run this command. After that, print arr, run this one. You will get 1 comma 2 comma 3, 4 comma 5 comma 6. Hope you can see, right, two-dimensional array in our matrix in mathematics. You can see like this, 1 2 sorry 1 2 3 4, like this. We'll get like this. Okay, So next one. See, I just want to ask, if I want to fetch the data of 3, okay, actually you are used where you used one right, one index value right here for adding of 3. So here how I can identify the number 4? How can I fetch the number 4 by using f in this array?
3
3 and
S
can anyone? Yeah, 3 and what? What is the dimension of an array? It's a 2-dimensional array, right? What is the value? See everyone, this is very very simple only. Okay, don't like think more. If I am open like this is the first 1 comma 2. This is the single dimensional. Okay, this is the 2-dimensional, right? 1 2 3 4. I also written 4 right here, 4, and then here 5 6 7 8. So try to see here, this is 1 by 3, right? 1 by 3 matrix. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Sorry, no, sorry, 2 by 4 matrix, but it is a 2-dimensional only. If it is a 1-dimensional means it is a 2-dimensional. So if I want to retrieve the element of 4, who has said like 3 is correct only. 0 1 2 3 index value. If it is 2-dimensional means 0 and 1. You need to keep row value, then column value, then row value. Column value plus row value. If I want to retrieve the 4, tell me what is the first we need to take column value, then row value. What is the column value of 4?
3.
Column index value
0
0, right? 0 comma 3. Simple.
0
Okay,
comma 3
okay, let's write 0 code print the value arr 2. Here write down 0 comma 3. Run this command. Right, you can see, right? 4 the number 4. Can anyone tell me what is the, how we can get the number of 9? Sorry, not 9, 10.
1
Can
comma
anyone please?
5
1 comma 5. Is it
1
sure?
comma 4. 1 comma 4, sir.
Okay, so yeah, 1 comma 4,
sorry 4
0
1
1
comma
2 3 4, right? Yeah, 1 comma 4 we can able to write. Okay, see everyone, these are the very very small and like I can say these are nothing but I can say we are playing with the arrays, right? Data structures, data structures we are call it as. So in the arrays also is in the data structures, the number which we can store. So what is 1 comma 4? Run this command, you will get 10. So what, how can I add the number 2 and 10? How can I add the number
0,
0 1
and
0 1
print
1 4
0 comma 1 and 1 comma
array
0 comma 1 plus array
1 comma
1
4
comma 4. Okay, just run this command. Why it is getting error? Can anyone? It is a 2, right? Array 2. Just run this command. Okay, 12. Hope you are getting an idea. how to use a two-dimensional arrays, addition also. Okay, now can we go for three-dimensional array next? Okay, three-dimensional array we can go in same manner, but I just want to tell you not tomorrow I'll give you one small images. Okay, I will share it with you, the images which will be showing the project. Small code in the left side and right side there is one result. Okay, you will get some idea, but we have very less time, so that's why the numpys, the remaining topics I will be explained and we will be discussed in the next, but I have to go with the pandas as well today. Okay, pandas, you know, right, why we are using pandas? Pandas, go here, it's a numpy, right? Give me a second. This is the pandas, why we are using for statistical computing. Pandas, if you open this pandas statistical, so here it is like numpy and also the pandas also one of the library of Python. Understand, this is also library. How we are going to use this pandas, they'll instruct you like this, same as the same like numpy. Pandas also look like same. Here you can see the data, pandas data sheet. I have to share with you. Just open this sheet, you will get an idea about how we are using chart sheet. Just click on this one PDF, you will be able to download. Okay, so I will explain the pandas. Okay, first, why we are using these pandas means data wrangling. What is this data wrangling?
Analyzing the
Pandas,
data.
erasing the data from the, erasing the data, like,
From
okay,
the
but
huge number of
yeah, if you are having used data, okay, if you are having very used data, what we can do,
we
we
can
have to analyze.
manipulate the data.
We,
We
yeah,
can also analyze.
okay, first one do, and I'll take you through first one. First, I just want to tell you, we have one one form. Okay, one form, right? In farm, if we are cultivating any of the seeds, okay, if you are cultivating any of the seeds like groundnuts or else any of the seeds, we need to like, you know, clean, right? We need to clean, and we need to uh, like deliver the quality of the product to the stores. Understand? So what we are doing, we are analyze the given seeds, whether it is giving the good outcome or not, then you can able to send to the stores. In the same way, the data we are getting from the company, this is the raw data. What data? Raw means what? It is collection of empty values, collection of zeros, collection of unnecessary things. We need to remove all the, we need to clean all the data. We need to, we are no need to manipulate the data. Manipulate is nothing but we need to change the data. We are not even changing the data. Okay, if you go to the company, they'll give the document, right? You no need to manipulate is nothing but you are adding some more values inside of the sheet. You no need to do like that. Okay, we are using the data, actual data, raw data. Okay, we are cleaning the data for the analysis. That's it. Analysis, we are doing what? Analysis in the, by using of pandas. Just analysis, normal. Okay, so likewise, I'll give you one small intro of this pandas. Pandas is also one of the library. Pandas also one of the library of Python. We are using with the data sets. I actually mentioned what is data set is collection of the data inside in the Excel sheet. That's it, as I shown right to you. This is the data set of the data inside of the one place. So let me tell you what is the pandas. So what the function it is doing. Pandas means it's a library. Function means we need to analyze, we need to clean, we need to explore, we need to manipulate. Also, manipulate is nothing but that we are doing. Let's suppose, see, you are having one data, like movie reviews data you are having. Okay, in this data we have many movies are there, and when they are released, released movie like this, like movies, like when it is released from 2022, like that. Okay, so what we are doing, the manipulation, what it is happening, manipulation is happening, not the data. You are only the manipulate the things by using of an variable, some variables you are using. Okay, some actually, suppose let release of the movie 2022. Okay, that type of manipulation we do. Okay, we can do the manipulation is like last in the analysis part, the manipulation of the data from the company, we are no need to change manipulation. When we are doing the analysis part only, manipulation will be happen. Okay, this is the scenario. If I say something today is a manipulation, tomorrow is, sir, there is no manipulation is done in the company. If you are doing the manipulation in the company, the data which they are sent, they'll be as they're not even acceptable. Like that, I am not mentioning the manipulation word. Okay, so we can learn based on the priority which we can take. First one is, I'll give you one code, the small uh, which I gave for the numpy. So pandas also same. Try to import the import pandas. Okay, run this command. It has to be download in your system or local machine. Okay, it is completed. The next one is code. Okay, it is what I'm saying, data sets, right? For the data sets only you are using. For arrays we are using that numpy. For data sets we are using pandas. Data set is nothing but it is an object. Okay, it is having key value. So let me tell you one example. Men. Okay, men name and women name, just write, we can write here. Okay, men's and women, the names we can mention here. Okay, some A B C one name. Okay, the next one D E F one name. Okay, two names which I was mentioned here. Next one, I am using one more value, women. The value we can mention here. Okay, children also they are, even it is like an auto prediction, like AI is working here inside, starting coding or generating with the AI. So by using of AI only I used. So I used to save this one data set. Okay, so data set analyzation means how we can analyze the data. Actually, how you analyze your, like, children's, analyze your mark sheet. How we can analyze? By using of graphs.
Graphs.
by using of graphs, right? For different graphs we are having. So what type of graphs we are having, so that we need to understand. Okay, so I will just explain this one, then we can move to the graphs and everything. That is like different case. So I am using data is equal to we data set means we are using pandas, right? Pandas dot data frame. We are using the word data frame. In the frame only we are using the data set. Data sets, this is a variable. By using the pandas, this is one of the function in the pandas. Data frame is one of the function, and we are stored in the data. Again we are, see, this is the storage of variable. Here we are writing the function, then next one we are getting output from the data. You can just run this command. You will get to see like this. Okay, actually what we are doing, we are giving one data object, some of the objects to this variable. By using of this one, we are created one of the table. Understand what we can create? One of the data frame we are created. So like you can able to write any of the value in the key and the value. Key is nothing but this is the one top main column name. This is the column name. This is the data inside. Understand? See, can we write one more? If you write one more, you can write. You can take one. One is a city. One is an city or country. Okay, two country in the city. Like countries, you can mention. It's like US. There is a city inside of the US, so there is, you mention some city names. So and then use that pandas dot data frame. Data frame is common word. If you want to like if you want to see here, this is the data frame. Okay, so data frame, if you use this key value and arrays, you will get to see the tables. Okay, the next one, let's come here. Reshaping the data. If you want to reshaping the from rows to the column, you need to use melt function. This is the function. Concatenation means two tables, I mean two data frames we need to add. We are using concat. Pivot means what? We are spreading the rows into the columns. So you can see cheat sheet, it is explaining everything. If you see, you will be able to understand all the functions inside of the pandas. Hope you understand this one. Handling the missing data. If there is an missing data, null value is there, you are using data frame fill null, fill na, and then value. Okay, let me tell you here, this is null na, right? Null value. So it will replace all the null values, and then drop na, it is dropping the all the values inside of it. Drop na. Okay, just give me an example. Drop na, sorry, just use the code print data, not data. So try to use the function here inside. I am using data frame. So I use data frame, right? Here using data dot, you can use the function. Which function can I use? The dropping means we are used to drop from the data set only. data clean. Let's see, one function can we write pandas dot null, not null, not null values. Give me a second. What we are discuss about the drop in here, right? Okay, drop NA from the data set. Am I written correct only na? Or else capital drop NA or else you can just use this one, okay? Data set, yeah, small only. Drop NA small and then use the data set inside of the function. What is the data set name? Data. Just run the command. Implies true. Yeah, just right. Implies true. Do this one and the next one. Give me a second. What it is showing? Pandas no attribute drop. Okay. Drop NA is not an attribute. It is showing what's the function then. How will you remove the data? You are doing manipulation. So we can use to clean the data. We can clean the data by using of which function that I can say some empty values, some data wrong. So how we use this one? Let me take you through. Drop NA is there, but here it is not even showing. Sorry, I haven't used here pandas dot drop. Give me a second. Drop NA. Just remove this one. This is a wrong data frame. Data set sets. Just run this command. It's not working. Same thing only. I want to drop NA. Maybe it's a depreciated. Pandas is not attribute of drop NA. Okay, that is depreciated. Let's explain this one. Drop NA. Give me a second. Dropping of values from the um, array, right? So list this one to be removed. How we can do in pandas? If you have in your mind, you can tell me. We are using the drop method. The drop method is not working. How can we remove them? How can we remove them? Can we use remove? Remove. What it is? It will be giving some. Can we remove one number which I can say ABC? No. Data frame data, or else let me try. Data frame dot remove. No. So try to remove. You just do this one. Remove the data inside of an pandas. Can we try? Can you give any command for that? Can we drop that? We can also drop. If you have in your mind, tell me, then we can wind up the session today. Hmm. Just use data set, right? Data sets dot drop. This is also not working. Remove data sets dot drop. Dictionary object has no attribute of drop. No. Can anyone try? Pandas data remove data dropping. Drop inside of an men's. We can try men. This we need to learn about. This is a dictionary. Okay. You can try this one. Okay. In the next session, we will be learning remaining things, but I'll just complete it right now. It's not working means we need to work on. Next, I use like data I used, right? So I need to use clean or remove. Let's see. I am dropping the values. So let me tell you. First one is, so we need to remove means first one is the data is correct. Use date panda pandas dot data frame. We are already written, right? So you can use pandas dot drop. Okay, drop. What we can use? Man. Like try to use singular double quotes. Like we are using single, we can also use double comma. Axis is equal to column. Try to use column. In column axis men we need to remove. Try to run this one. This is not working, right? Pandas has no attribute drop, but it has to be worked. Maybe some error. Okay, we will discuss in the next session. Okay, don't keep look on this. We will do in the next session, but try to use the sheet which is there, here. Pandas cheat sheet, it is already shared right with you, so try to look on it. It will be working, it will be work if you use relevant function. I don't know why it is like giving some error. Okay, we will discuss later remaining pandas. We have matplotlib also. Saturday and Sunday we have the time, so I'll give you few of the code and then results, so you will understand the process of how um, the data tools are working, which I shared in your WhatsApp group. There is one image. That image, if you follow, you will get the idea. You will get an idea which technology we are using for what. Okay, just keep the things with you, and remaining things we will be discussed in the next session. But hope you are like get some energies down, right? So 10 9 10 9 10 9 12 currently. Okay, we will wind up today session. Thanks for joining. If you have any doubt, you can ask right now.